welcome to Home School. This is your class 10 Mathematics NCERT or CBSE board. We are in a chapter 5 areas related to circles and your exercise 5.2 first problem. Use pi is equal to 22 by 7. Find the area of sector of a circle. As you have seen in your part 1 children, introduction, everything about a sector, segment, what is the area, what is the circumference, everything we have discussed. Suppose if you are seeing this is your first video, you just please go back to your part 1 and part 1 link is provided in the description box which is below the video. Okay, first to see that, then come to this session. Find the area of a sector. You need to find this area. So understand the problem carefully. I need to find the area of this sector. How can you say minor or major? Let's see here properly. Sector of a circle. Either it may be this one or this one. With radius 6 centimeters. What is the radius? 6 centimeters. If angle of the sector is 60 degree. Okay, it might be minor only. So like this, you should understand carefully, children, whether the sector is in minor sector or major sector. You should observe carefully by seeing the angle. What's your problem here? Find the area of a sector of a circle. This is a sector and radius is 6 centimeters. Sector angle is 60 degree. And what is this complete angle? 360, right? Then what will be the angle in major sector? 360 minus 60, it will be 300. Okay, so let's start our solution. Given radius of circle, given radius of a circle R is equal to 6 centimeters. Angle in a sector of a circle is equal to, angle in a sector of a circle, angle you can write it as theta. That theta value will be 60 degree. What we need to find? We need to calculate the area of sector of a circle is equal to question mark. Okay, this is a given data and this is the one you need to find out. We know the formula. Area of a sector. Which sector it is, children? Minor sector. If you want, you can write minor sector or you can just write sector. What is the formula? Theta by 360 degree into, we are talking about area of a circle formula, pi r square. Okay, theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Substitute the value. Theta value is 60 degree by 360 degree into pi value, what is given? 22 by 7. R value is 6. Square 6 into 6. 6 ones are 60s are 6 6 are 36, 0. And again 60, 60 you can cancel. 1 if you want you can write. Now 22 into 6. 132 by 7 centimeter square is your answer. Therefore, area of sector of a circle is equal to 132 by 7 centimeter square. Okay, whatever be the question, try to draw the figure and identify which sector you need to calculate. Second problem, find the area of a quadrant of a circle. What is quadrant of a circle? Means quarter, 1/4 of a circle. Okay, let me take a quadrant of a circle. Let me consider this is a quadrant of a circle. We need to find area. Understand the problem carefully. Find the area of quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeters. What did they give? This circle quadrant area you need to find. Circumference of a circle is 22 centimeter. Means when we need to find the area of a quadrant, we need to find the radius. What is area of a quadrant? pi r square by 4. So r needed there. Do we know r? We don't know r. But they have given circumference. Circumference means 2 pi r is equal to 22. By using that, we need to calculate r first, then we go with the area of a quadrant. Solution. Given circumference of a circle is equal to 22 centimeters. We need to find the area of a quadrant is equal to question mark. Area of a quadrant we need to calculate, right? Then what is circumference of a circle? We know circumference of a circle is how much? 2 pi r. 2 pi r is equal to how much given? 22. Now let us substitute 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 22. Send all these other side. R is equal to 22 into 22 by 2 you can write, and this 22 by 7 will be reciprocal other side. 22 cancel. R is equal to 7 by 2 centimeters. Radius of this circle is 7 by 2 centimeters. Now, area of a quadrant formula. Area of a quadrant. What is area of a quadrant, children? It is pi r square by 4. Or otherwise, you can go with theta by 360 into pi r square also. You can find. We know quadrant is 1/4 part of a circle area. So, we can use directly this formula. Pi 22 by 7 r square, right? 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Whole divided by 4. So, this 4 do reciprocal and bring to the numerator and multiply. 4, 1 by 4 it becomes, right? 7 cancel. 2 11s are 22. And finally, you are left with 11 7s are 77 by 8. 4 2s are 8. 77 by 8 centimeter square is your area of a quadrant. Area of quadrant of a circle is equal to 77 by 8 centimeter square. Third problem. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. You can see a clock on board. So in this clock, you can see only 2 hands. Usually 3 hands will be there. One is hour hand, another is minute, and another is seconds hand. Now we are talking in our problem with a minute hand. The length of the minute hand of a clock. What is the length of this minute hand? It is 14 centimeters. I assume it as a radius. Center to circumference of a circle. This is how much length? 14 centimeters. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes means this hand moves to 5 minutes means up to 1, right? So what is this area is your problem. What is area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes? So we know only radius. Do we know angle? No, we don't know. But we can calculate angle. Central angle of a circle. That is, here complete angle is 360 degrees. Yes or no? 360 degree is divided by 60 minutes. When we talk about the minute hand, full if it is rotating, starting from here, it takes 60 minutes. So 360 degree by 60, you can divide and find 1 minute is equal to how many degree? If you know 1 minute is equal to how many degree, you can find 5 minutes. Yes, 5 minutes means from here to, we should count from here to here, it is 5 minutes. So 1 minute 6 degree, 5 minutes means 5 6 are 30 degree. So now we got the angle theta is equal to 30 degree, radius is 14. Now it is very easy to find the area of a sector. Let's start. Given length of the minute hand is equal to 14 centimeters, or I may call it as a radius. The angle moves by the minute hand in 1 minute. Angle moved by the minute hand in 1 minute means that is total complete angle or angle at the center, it will be 360 degree by clock how many minutes? 60 minutes. To complete one rotation, it takes 60 minutes. So 0, 0 cancel, 6, 6 are 36, that will be 1 minute angle. And what about 5 minutes? Why 5 minutes? In our problem, we are talking about 5 minutes. If they have given 15 minutes, you can multiply 15 into 6. 30 minutes, 30 into 6, and you can take the angle. So now 5 minutes. 5 into 1 minute, how many degrees? 6 degree. 5 6 are 30 degree. Okay, that is nothing but the theta. 5 minutes angle theta is equal to 30 degree. Area of sector of a circle. What is area of sector of a circle formula? Theta by 360 degree into, when we talk about area, pi r square, we should remember. Theta angle is 30 degree by 360 degree into pi value is 22 by 7, r value is 14, 2 times r square means 2 times you need to multiply. 7 2s are 14, and here 0 0 cancel, 3 12s are. Okay, so still you can cancel, right? 2 6 are 12, 2 7s are 14, and again 2 3s, 2 1s. Then is there anything to cancel? No, that's it. So multiply now. 22 into 7, that will be 154 by 3 centimeter square. Area is always centimeter square, right? Yes, is this clear? In a wall clock, when a minute hand is swept 5 minutes, the degree will be 30 degrees. And what is this area asked? Okay, area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes is equal to 154 by 3 centimeters square. Okay, with this, we are going to end our session. In our next session, we are going to continue with the next problems. Until that, keep watching. Thank you all.